I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Choose an interior location for the safety box and avoid exterior walls. Place the unit near a closet or under a stairwell for concealment. Confirm the floor load rating and ensure the surface supports the safe weight. Measure width, depth, and height to fit contents and door clearance. Select a capacity that fits documents, jewelry, and a spare laptop or tablet. Consider access routes to move the safe into position without stair restrictions or narrowed. Prepare anchoring by choosing 3/8-inch anchor bolts for concrete or 1/2-inch lag bolts for wood floors. Drill pilot holes 3 inches deep and remove dust with a vacuum or brush. Position the safe and mark holes through the base plate or rear mounting plate. Bolt through the safe floor or back plate and torque to manufacturer specs for a firm hold. Use washers and lock nuts where specified to prevent loosening over time. Choose a reliable lock type, mechanical combination, or electronic keypad with battery backup. Install the lock, test it 5 times, and record backup codes separately in a secure location. Place silica gel, packs of about 5 grams inside to control internal humidity and protect paper and electronics. Organize contents with labeled folders and padded compartments to prevent movement and damage. Ensure high-value items and maintain an inventory with photos and serial numbers for quick recovery after loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.